Hello everyone, today we're going to be solving number 5 on LeetCode, or the longest palindromic substring. This solution utilizes the expand function to find palindromes around potential centers, checking for odd length and even length palindromes. We're going to be using Python to solve it. Now before we take a look at the code and break it down step by step, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and with that out of the way, let's hop right into it. Alright. So in this solution, we are given a class named solution that contains a method, the longest palindrome, which returns the longest palindromic substring found. We start by initializing an empty string ans for answer, which will store the longest palindromic substring found during the iterations. Next, we use a for loop to iterate through each character of the input string s. Inside the loop, we call the expand function twice for each character, once for odd length palindromes centered at the current character I, and once for even length palindromes centered between I and I plus 1. The max function is used to compare and return the longest palindrome among the current answer, odd length palindrome, and even length palindromes, using the key equals len argument to consider the length of the palindromes. So after exploring all of the possible centers and expansions, we just return the longest palindromic substring, which was stored in answer, which would be our answer. Let's go ahead and run it. Alright, so we got a runtime of 67 milliseconds, and that's going to be it for this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below, subscribe for more. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.